Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Uncle Matt's Cookery Lessons with roasted white cabbage. It's gorgeous. Hello, in this video I'm going to be doing something so simple but so delicious, turning this plain old boring white cabbage into just the most wonderful tasting vegetable ever by simply roasting it. That's it. I'm going to roast it and it's going to be delicious, and you are going to really like this one. And enjoy this one, you will. And it's so simple and quick to do. So I'm basically keeping the core in, and I'm cutting this into wedges. Obviously it's quite a small cabbage. If you've got a bigger one than I have, you know, you might want to cut it into 8 maybe. But anyway, so I like to put a bit of oil and seasoning on the tray, and then a bit more oil and seasoning on the top. And obviously if you want to jazz this up a bit, you can add some spice, but I don't think it needs it. So that was after say 15 to 20 minutes, all nice and caramelised, and yeah, total cooking time, roasting time, half hour, a bit more. You can turn it down a bit lower and let it cook a bit longer and slower. That'd be nice too. But anyway, it was such a quick video, I thought, well, you know, let's have some sausages and onions with it, shall we? Because that's nice. So there you go. I brown the sausages in a pan, take them out, brown the onions, give them a fancy toss about, sausages back in, some cider, yes, cider, and let that reduce. I did that while the cabbage was actually still cooking, obviously. And that's it. Yeah, put it in a bowl, some onions on top. That looks nice, doesn't it? And you're going to hand you over to me to tell you how lovely this thing tastes. Alright, so I told you it was really simple to make, didn't I? Roasted white cabbage. The flavour just changes completely, and that is all about caramelisation. You know, that roasting of it. It transforms it from, you know, a nice vegetable that you put in coleslaw to something just out of this world. I absolutely love it. And if you're cutting back on things like potatoes and things like that, it's perfect. But I can still sort of have what would traditionally be known as bangers and mash, but maybe it's better because that cabbage is just spectacular. Anyway, thank you very much for watching Uncle Matt's Cookery Lessons. Hope you like this. If you do, it'd be really, really appreciated if you could do all those things like liking and subscribing and commenting and sharing. All those things always be really appreciated. And I'll catch you in the next video coming pretty soon. Bye-bye. A crispy bit.